It's never too late to change your love. So don't let them steal your light. Don't let them break your stride. There's light on the other side. You'll see all the rain clouds falling. It's a revolution. Make it right tonight. It's a revolution.
Twerk it, baby.
Hi. Do you touch?
Can you see it? The worst is over. The monsters in my head are scared of love. Falling people. Listen.
Hi! This is Ella. Ella din eh.
Hi!
Yeah, kapart ng face.
Ang bakit ko dyan?
Anong ganap mo today?
Magpi-PE ako, sasayaw ako na
PE! Grabe! Yes! OOTD guys!
Let them break your stride.
Hey guys, I know I've been just vlogging and vlogging earlier and I didn't explain what I was doing. So I woke up 3 a.m. to do my PETA and then by 4 a.m. I started preparing for my news event which I had earlier. So thank you so much UST, SHS, Goodwill team for having me as your muse. Hey guys, I don't know if you can hear me because my classmates are so loud. Hi! Hi Ashley! So yun nga guys, so dito na ako sa classroom. I don't know if na-cut yung binavlog ko kanina pero ayun, I just wanna say na dito na ako sa class ngayon. The event just finished. So dito na ulit ako, magka-klase na ako. Back to normal guys. So ayun. And then ano ba? Ayun, tinanggal ko lang yung lipstick ko so I don't look so loud in the class, you know.
so loud.
Looking loud, you know. So yan guys. Tapos ano ba? Wala naman ako ibang ganap today. So yun guys, wait, nakat ulit. 1 p.m. na ngayon and hanggang 6 p.m. pa ako dito sa class. So medyo wala naman akong ganap. Dito lang ako sa classroom. So ewan ko kung ano pang papakita ko sa inyo. Pero dito lang talaga ako sa class. We're in the laboratory right now guys. So ayun. Bye for now. See you later. If I will and I can. Bye-bye. Bye!
Hi guys. Hi.
Pupunta ako ng canteen.
Oh, edi bumili ka na.
Mama, I love you.
Bye-bye, love you ulit. O, dali na.
Bye-bye, ma. Pupunta ako ng canteen kasi nagugutom ako. My God, nakakahiya mag-vlog pero mag-vlog pa rin ako. Pero nagugutom ako so bibili nga ako ng donut guys. Okay, donut.
Falling people. Listen up.
Hey guys, I don't know what to do anymore. So, I'll end the vlog here. May gusto ko pa bang gawin? Wala na, diba? Wala na. tapusin yung research. Okay, sige. Magtatapos na lang kami ng research, guys. And, by the way, hi!
Subscribe kayo sa akin.
Subscribe to James plug. And then, subscribe to Ashley Garcia.
Subscribe!
Bye, guys. Love you. See you in my next vlog. Don't forget to subscribe to Ashley's channel and to my classmates' channel.
Subscribe kayo sa akin.
Bye-bye. Bye.